That they did.
We're allowed to place
Just be
claymores,
careful.
right?
Yes.
Yes, or on the MCOM. Just be careful because they'll use lots of smallers to break down walls. So don't all huddle inside buildings because they will use it just to blow out walls and get you all.
We got anybody good that can lay down by the MCOM and shoot them as they come in?
Yeah,
'Cause
yeah.
that's what they
I
were
can-
doing.
I can do that if you need it.
Break out a
Yeah,
shotgun.
do that. I got my 3/4 out, so I'm gonna sit back a little ways and just lace them as soon as they go to walk in.
I'm gonna watch the right flank.
Planting claymore.
I will take left flank then.
Going right.
The top of the hill.
Frag out,
right
frag
now.
out. Frag's in.
I'm not even spawned in yet.
Left or 3.
They're right at the top of the MCOM.
They're flanking the right side. There should be 2 guys.
Oh, I couldn't even get my. As soon as I spawned, they got me.
Right side, guys.
Yeah, yeah. Right side. There's like 6 of them.
I got one.
Again, lasers are okay to have?
Yes.
Yeah.
But not tack lights.
They're going for MCOM.
Over the top. They're coming over the top.
Yep.
They're in.
Just 2 of you by the train tracks.
Yeah, they're in.
Train tracks left side.
I
They're
have
planting.
no eyes.
Crash it.
Another one just dropped in IA.
I'm going in.
Roger that, watch your left.
Ah, I couldn't get him.
Oh, damn. Almost. 1 second left.
Oh, I ran out. of
Disarming.
Get it, get it.
Got.
Thank God. Good job.
Another one's in there.
Spawning on you, Bowmore.
They're spawning. They're spawning. They're getting in there. They're planting.
There's one inside.
Planting.
There's 2 in there. Frag out.
Tango left.
Lasers.
He's down.
Alright, frag out and move in. Move. Go, 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 go.
Disarming.
Suppress the fire.
They're down on the ground coming in. Get it quick.
Alright, go, go, go.
They got it. They got it capped from up above. They're up above, firing in on it.
Damn! Did anybody get to the inbound?
Negative.
Frag out. Get them as they come in. Set up some traps for them. Get them as they come in.
Tango down, top of the hill. They're up on the right. By that building.
Shifting right.
One's flanking right side, by the bridge.
Down.
Tango down inside building.
Got one other train track that
They're
cramped.
coming in from the left. There's
CRMP.
3 at least. Took
Right
one
where
out.
Bowmore's at.
The other 3 came in overpowered me.
Oh, I was so close to getting his tags.
There's about 4 over there now.
Left, you said?
Yes,
Left.
left.
Yeah, shifting left.
They got plant.
Alright, let's move in.
I'm down.
Damn!
User entered your channel.
Oh.